In today's fast-paced business environment, effective internal communication is vital. Are you struggling with scattered messages and disengaged teams? Livestorm is here to help. Livestorm offers a powerful webinar and online meeting platform tailored for businesses. Streamline your internal communication effortlessly. With Livestorm, you can enhance team interaction, boost engagement, and share important updates seamlessly. Let's explore the key features. First, time efficiency is achieved by automating communication. Create meetings and webinars to reach your entire team quickly. Imagine organizing an event that informs everyone in just one click. Next, enjoy simple management. Customize branding and event settings easily. Join without downloading software, and automatically send event replays to participants. Now, let's talk about interactive discussions. Utilize engagement tools like question upvotes. Encourage cross-functional communication by allowing employees to vote on topics they want addressed. Need more? Our calendar integrations ensure everyone has access via Google Calendar. Set up recurring events effortlessly and simplify attendance with a single link. For reporting, analyze engagement with a built-in participation report. Keep track of who attended and the level of engagement. This data is invaluable for improving future events. Livestorm excels in various use cases. Host online conferences that reach thousands or conduct employee training sessions that captivate your new hires. Scale your hiring process effortlessly with remote events that connect you to numerous candidates at once. Join over 5,000 organizations that trust Livestorm for their online events. Feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Users appreciate the elegant user interface and the simplicity of hosting engaging webinars. So, why wait? Experience Livestorm for yourself. Sign up for free today and transform your internal communication in just 3 minutes. No credit card required, and no software installation needed. Begin your engagement journey with Livestorm now.